next 20 years, the world will need more than 600,000 new pilots and almost 700,000 new technicians, according to Boeing's Pilot and Technician Outlook. Schools nationwide are preparing students for these and other high-paying and rewarding careers in aviation and aerospace. The FSD is the first district in Tennessee to offer an 8th grade elective called Introduction to Aerospace. This high school credit course is available at both Poplar Grove Middle and Freedom Middle Schools.
To sum up what you'll learn in taking Introduction to Aerospace, you'll receive a very solid foundation in the basics of flight, aeronautical engineering, all the STEM concepts associated with aerospace, and you'll be able to proceed then, if you wish, into the aerospace pathway in high school. When you continue to high school in Williamson County Schools, you will have a guaranteed seat in the Williamson County Schools aviation pathway. And that will open up the opportunity for a multitude of careers. You'll be potentially able to earn pilot certifications and then later down the road maintenance certifications. If you're interested in exploring the world of being an air traffic controller, an airport manager, a flight attendant, the opportunities really are endless. In the next 20 years, hundreds of thousands of aerospace-related jobs are opening up, and the world needs you to fill them. So taking this class really sets you up to take advantage of those opportunities.
We don't even know what opportunities it's going to open up because the field of aviation is changing so much. What we focus on is giving them the basics of the aeronautics so that no matter what technology comes out or what advances are made, that they can apply that to what they do. So if they're going into air traffic control, if they're interested in aircraft maintenance, if they're looking at aerospace engineering, still that knowledge that we're giving them of the basic aerodynamics and flight characteristics on the flight simulator will be beneficial for them. The biggest thing that I've seen that's really impressed me with our students is that they go home thinking about aviation. They're thinking about aerospace. And they'll come in the morning, they'll meet me in the hall and they'll be like, hey, Mr. Dollar, I saw this, or how would this work if this happened in the airplanes?
In this course, you'll use a high-quality curriculum from the Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association, an organization that is extremely supportive of all things aerospace. And you'll have the chance for hands-on flight instruction using a J-Velocity Redbird simulator.
These simulators are designed to bring realistic aviation experiences into the classrooms. By combining ground training and flight simulation experiences, our aviation students will be prepared for the continuing coursework at the high school level.
Any 8th grader is eligible to take this class. We're looking for 8th grade students that are well-rounded students that have a wide variety of interests. We're not looking for the students who necessarily are our traditional honor students, but it does still have a level of rigor to it as a high school course.
In this class, you'll have a variety of hands-on experiences. You'll visit airports, military installations, air shows, just to name a few. You'll work with aerospace modules, creating different models, and then you'll have various guest speakers from the industry who will come to the class to mentor and speak with you.
This is an exciting opportunity for our 8th grade students. It is amazing to see how the world of aviation is unfolding for them, connecting with interests they already have or sparking new passions as they begin to explore their future paths.